How do you increase your chance to get work on a farm in America on the H-1B visa program? So a lot of you ask me, help me, how do I get work on a farm in America? Guys, it all starts with the agent. It all starts with having the right tools. Okay, so you have to have the right CV, cover letter, CV video. It has to be in the right format, and it has to have the correct information on there, so that when you approach the agent, you have the right CV, cover letter, CV video. So it's really important to start there, guys. And the most important thing, to increase your chances is to go knock on an agent's door, go meet them face to face. A lot of people just send them a WhatsApp or send them an email, and they usually don't get good responses back. But guys, here's the thing. It's with me, it's been a thing with me all my life as well, is if somebody meets me face to face, I get an idea of who that person is. So if you want to increase your chance, go knock on an agent's door, meet them face to face, find out where their offices is, go and visit them, go show your face. So the reason for that is that they can see who you are and that they can look at your CV. You can explain a lot of things to them, and they've got a better idea of who you are, what you can do, and they can do a better placement for you that will help you. Go do that, guys. Visit the agents. And if you need a list of agents, check in the comments below is a link to all the HR agents that you can approach.